Hello, family and friends, to Tech and More. Here you get all the solutions to your tech related problems. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel because we've got you covered. Like this video and share with others so that they also get access to solution to their tech related problems. In this video, we are coming to look at two fastest ways to change your phone theme from light to dark. Before we zoom straight into action, let us check something first. After doing our settings, we'll come back to verify if everything is in order. So this is the phone. Yes, like you can see. Let's select it. Carefully tap on the phone button or icon. Yes, and that brings us here. You see that the background is white, indicating that it has the light theme now, or it's in the light mode now. Let us come back home. Open AI gallery. This is it on my phone, or anything. If you have this, you can check it on your phone. So I've opened mine, and here too, you could see that the background is white, indicating that the phone is currently set to the light mode. Let's come back home again. Yes, we are home now. And now let's start. So we start by going to settings. This is what I do when I want to go to where my settings is. I drop down here. Yeah, so like you can see, this is my setting icon. You just saw it. This is it. Yes. So look for yours on your phone, and now as you've seen it, let's select it. So we tap on it, and now that brings us here. There is a list: hotspot and tethering. But before that, you see that you can search here, search settings. There's a text field there where you can search for what you are looking for. But now let's do it step by step. So you see the hotspot and tethering. The second one is mobile connections. The third one is sound and vibration. And voila, this is what we are looking for: display and brightness. So I've selected it. The brightness level is at 46% now on my phone. The second one is adaptive brightness. Eye care follows wallpaper, and now this is what we are looking for: the dark theme. So you see it. This is it. Yes, so look for it on your phone. You see that currently the dark theme is off. So now to activate it, we have to turn it on. And to turn it on, we just click this and then see what happens. Yes. We see that now the background has quickly changed or transitioned from white to black. So you see that now the dark theme is on. So yes, let's come back home. Now we are back home. We went here before we started everything, so let's go there again to see. Initially the background was white. Let's see if it's still white. So yes, we tap on it, and now we see that everything is black here, meaning that the dark mode or dark theme is turned on. Let's go back home. Yes, we've come here. We came here also, the AI gallery. So now let's select it. It is selected. And what do you see? You see that the background is no longer white, but black, indicating that the dark theme is on. This is the first method or first way to do it. The second way is even shorter, way shorter. Let us look at that one also. Okay, let's quickly look at the second method. So we go to settings once again. So we drop this down. This is my setting icon. So now I select it. Yes, now we have settings here. What do I do next? What I've got to do is to come here, tap on this text field, search settings. So I search what exactly I want, and since we are looking for the dark theme, I just type this dark. This has already popped up because I searched for it in the past. So yes, we search for dark, and then we have dark theme, enable dark mode. So with the first one, dark theme, you see that it is under display and brightness, and the second one, which is enable dark mode, is under message settings. We want the general one, which is display and brightness. We want it to cover the device in entirety, not just the message. So we select this. Okay, so yes, we select it, and you see that once we select it, it highlights for us automatically. So we just turn it on like we did initially, and then voila, we have our dark theme set. So yes, we come back home and everything is fine. This is how two fastest and simplest ways to turn our phone theme from light to dark. Hope you learned something very important from this video, and I hope this video was very useful to you. Please like, share with others, and also subscribe so that I get energized to bring you more solutions to your tech related problems. See you in the next one. Bye bye.